we are going to talk about aeroplane. Do you like to travel by aeroplane? Yes, I like to travel by aeroplane because it is exciting. How often do you travel and why? I travel once a year because I go to holidays. Who do you travel with and why? I travel with my family because we go to holidays together. How old were you when you first went on a flight? I was 9 years old when I first went on a flight. Where was your first flight? My first flight was to London. How was the experience? The whole journey was fun. It was memorable. What do you like to do during a flight? I like to look through the window to see outside. What is the longest flight you have ever taken? My longest flight was 8 hours to London. Which seat do you prefer and why? I like the window seat because you can look through outside. What are the 3 things you supposed to do before flight takes off? Sit on your seat, switch off your phone, put your seat belt on. Do you like to sleep during the flight? Yes, I like to sleep during a flight at some point. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video.